listening to Vision Radio Worldwide.
June 8th, Lincoln, North Carolina. The USO is putting on a model contest. I'm Lou Santiago, and I'm going to be a judge. And if you don't want to see chicks in bikinis, you can always go to the Hog Happening Bike Show, Main Street, Lincoln, North Carolina. Support your troops.
Vision Radio Worldwide. Vision Radio Worldwide, the future of radio.